Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a huge free traffic source that I never shared before. And yes, this method is beginner friendly, it is available worldwide and it is 100% free. In today's video I'm going to show you where you can find done for you videos. I'm going to show you how you can make these videos by yourself even if you are a beginner in just 5 minutes. And also I'm going to show you this huge free traffic source and also how you can maximize your earnings with this huge free traffic source. So with that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. Obviously, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche, and that niche should be something that you understand. Second thing you need to do, you need to find product to promote. And for that, you can use Digistore24, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus or some other affiliate network, but I like to use ClickBank. And you need to go through affiliate tools pages of these products. And the reason for that is you need to find products that are actually giving you videos that you can use to promote that product. For example, I am promoting this product here, Custom Keto Diet. So I will open their affiliate tools page just to show you how that looks. Here on the left side you can see all the tools that they are giving you to promote their product. So I will scroll here and I'm going to click here on videos. And here you can see they are actually giving us almost 100 videos that we can upload on YouTube, on our website, on Facebook or wherever we want in order to promote their product. And what you need to do, you need to download these videos and re-upload them on different websites. And add your affiliate link in the description. Even though many of these products are actually giving you videos that you can re-upload, but what if the product that you wish to promote doesn't give you video that you can use to promote that product? But before we continue, it would mean a lot to me if you like this video and also subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. Like I said, what if the product that you wish to promote doesn't provide you video? What you can do is you can go on Fiverr and pay someone to make you a video that you can actually use to promote that product. But what if you don't have money to pay for that and you wish to create a video by yourself? Well, first thing you need to do, you need a script. Also, you can go on Fiverr and pay someone to write you a script for your video for just a few dollars. As you can see, this is just $10. $5, so it's not that expensive. But what if you don't have money and you actually wish to create everything for free by yourself? Well, like I said, first thing you need to do, you need a script. And if you don't have money to pay someone to write you a script, what you can do is you can go on affiliate tools page and about 80-90% of these products will actually provide you articles. So let me just scroll here to find articles. Okay, click here on articles, and what you need to do, you need to download these articles. Now I already did that and this is how it looks. As you can see, they actually provided 4 articles for us. So I will open this first one here, for example, double click here and double click here to open the Word document. And this is the article that we can use as a script for our video. And as you can see, there is actually 4 articles, so we can actually make 4 different videos in order to promote this product here, Custom Keto Diet. It would be best if you can use some professional software to make these videos, but if you can't and if you are looking for free solution, what you can do is you can go on Canva and register for free on Canva. And after you register, what you need to do, you need to simply click here on video, and you can make your video totally free here in Canva. So now you need to make this video. Click here on elements on the left side and here in the search bar, in this case, let's just type keto diet and click search. And then click here on videos to get videos. And as you can see, most of the videos on Canva are actually available only for pro members. So what you need to do, you need to find royalty-free videos that you can use. So what you need to do, you need to go on a website called Pexels. And here in search bar, again, I will just type keto diet and click search. And then click here on videos. And as you can see, Pexels will give you 1060 videos, keto related videos that you can use any way you want, as you can see here. So we need to download few of these videos. So let me just scroll back here on the beginning and I will just click on this video here, for example, just click on it. And what I need to do, click here on free download and click here OK to save this video on my desktop. And I actually need to download another video. So I will close here this and I will open this video here, for example, click on it. Again, just click here on free download. You can also choose the size of the video as you can see here. I will stick with the original size and click here on free download. Again, just click here on this X and click on OK to download this video. And that's it. I downloaded this video too on my desktop. So what I need to do, I need to go back on Canva and I need to click here on uploads. And I will click here upload media and click here device to upload from my own device, from my own computer. Find the video that you downloaded from Pexels. Let me just scroll through this. Okay, these are the videos. Click enter and upload these videos. Now, these files are big files, so it may take a few minutes to upload these files on Canva. So I will pause this video until these files are uploaded. Okay, files are uploaded. So I will click on this video here to add it to template. And I will just move it here and I will drag it to make it fit on the template. Okay, that's it. And when you click on this video, I will just pause this. You can actually cut this video, you can crop it, you can flip it, you can animate this video. Now you don't really need animations, but you can add them if you want. For example, this one, as you can see. But like I said, you don't really need that for this example. So I will just exit this, okay? And what you need to do, you need to add some text here on this video. So just click here on the left side on this T for text and use any of these text styles. Now I usually use this one here, for example, just click on it and I will delete this and I will use this font here. So I need to go back on my article here and I will copy this entire intro here. Control C, go back on Canva and click here and then Control V to paste it. Okay, I will just drag it to make it fit. Okay, so to make it smaller, I will just scroll here and I will just drag it like this. Okay, let's scroll here and I will reposition this text here and make it wider. Okay, move it here and I will make it even smaller and then drag it like this and I will move it here and you can also change the color of these letters of this text. Just click here on this A and let's say make it white. For example, as you can see, now letters are in white color. You can also animate this text if you want. For example, so just click here and click on animation and then click on this text here, for example, and you can animate this text. As you can see, it's animating this text here. Now play with these options just to see all the things that you can do with Canva. Now this is our first slide, our first scene. We need to add another one. So I will click here, add page, and then I will click here on uploads, and I will add another video, the second video that I downloaded. And same thing, drag it here. Let me just drag it here, okay? And drag it to make it fit on the template. And again, you need to add text. Click here on the text. I will choose the same font style, same letter style. I will delete this, okay? And I need to go back on my article. And let's say that this scene will be just this text here. Control C and go back on Canva. Double click here. Control V to paste it. Okay, let's just drag it to make it fit. And here again also. And I will scroll here to make it smaller. Okay. And then click here and then drag it to reposition this text. And then just drag it to make it fit the width. Okay. And like I said, you can change the color of this text. You can animate this text. You can crop this video. You can rotate this video. You can cut this video and so on and so on. And each paragraph should be new slide, new video, new scene. And for example, let's just go back on this article. Now we already have 2 slides, 2 videos, right? And I would actually use this here to be my 3rd slide. And this would be my 4th, and this would be 5th, this would be 6th, this would be 7. And conclusion would be actually my 8th slide, my 8th video just like this. So I need to go back on Pexels and I need to download 8 videos from here, and then I need to add them here on Canva and to make my own video. Now it would be great if you can actually add voiceover on this video, but if you can't, what you can do is you can simply click here on audio and Canva will give you royalty-free music that you can add to your videos. But if you cannot find right song here on Canva, what you can do, you can simply go on YouTube audio library and you can use any of these songs here totally free. YouTube will give you royalty-free music and songs that you can use on your videos, and there is literally thousands and thousands of sounds, sound effects, music, songs and so on YouTube audio library that you can use totally free. When you go back, and like I said, all you have to do is just upload that here, that song or whatever, or effect or whatever you want, and add it to this video that you created in Canva. Now, after you create your video, you are satisfied how that video looks, all you have to do is just click here in upper right corner on download, use MP4 video, and click here download and download that video on your desktop. Now when you created this video, now you need to upload that video somewhere in order to promote this product. But let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use. When we go on SimilarWeb, here we can see that last month this website got 62 million visits. And it's actually stable traffic, stable 60 million visits every month. And when we scroll here, we will see that more than 50% of their traffic is coming from highly developed countries. United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, and Canada. So this website has a huge potential. Website that we are going to use is called Flickr. Flickr is a website where people share videos and photos. And registration on Flickr is free and simple. After you register, what you need to do, you need to click here on upload to upload your video or photo if you want. And then click here, choose photo and video to upload. And find the video that we downloaded from Canva, that we created in Canva. Let's say this video here, for example. Click open. And here we need to add description of our video. So I will just go back here on the article and I will scroll here and I will just copy, let's say, this first sentence here. Control C, and I will go back here on description and paste it here. Now you can add affiliate link here in description, but I would actually suggest you to send people on your bridge page or landing page. But like I said, you can add it, but I would advise you to send people on your website, on your blog, on your landing page, on your bridge page. Here you can add some tags. Just add some related tags, let's say keto, and then let's say keto diet, and that's enough for now. Of course, you will add more tags here. And here you can add some people, you can add some albums, and here you can share this video in some groups that you joined. And you can even drive more traffic to this video, more views to this video. As you can see here, this video is ready to publish. Now what you need to do, you need to come here in upper right corner, click here upload one photo and click here upload. And this may take few minutes depending on the size of the file. Now this is where your videos will be. So let me just click on one of these videos. These are my videos. And when I scroll here, this is the link to one of the YouTube videos that I uploaded. As you can see, this link is clickable. So let me just close this. I will just go back here. You can also upload photos. You can use Pixabay if you want or Unsplash, but I would advise you to actually use your own photos. But like I said, you can use Pixabay or Unsplash. Now here you can organize your channel. This is important. Groups. When you click here on groups, you can actually search related groups in your niche and you can join those groups. And as you saw, when you upload a new video on Flickr, you can share that video in one of those groups that you joined. And in that way you will drive even more traffic, even more views to that video, and potentially more people will click on your affiliate link and more people will buy that product. And when you click here on stats, you can see stats for your photos and videos. As you can see, I have 107 views, but I actually didn't upload anything on this channel for a while. And that is why I have 0 followers and I'm actually following 0 people. And that is also important. You can actually get followers here on Flickr, and the more followers you get, more people will see your videos and photos, and potentially, like I said, more people you will send to your affiliate offer, and more people will potentially buy that product. This is how you create videos in just 5 minutes, even if you are a beginner, that you can use for affiliate marketing and to drive free traffic to your affiliate offers. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.